Hey guys, it's what? Brand new carburetor, aftermarket. This one is this is the original Easgo McKinney Coco, and this one's an aftermarket for the model of Easgo golf carts. I just have to get this little bell in right here on there. So hold on. All right, that's on now. Now I gotta do the tedious pet task of putting this thing on the machine. Right. Here's a little quick update. That went on surprisingly well. About half the stuff's on. I just gotta assemble the choke and assemble the throttle body assembly and run the lines, and I'll be able to test it. Alright, I got the carburetor on. I hooked up the fuel line, throttle cable, and choke cable. The choke works properly, the way I would intend it to work. Throttle works the intended the way I wanted to work. So yeah, now here comes the nice different part here. Let's see if it will pump fuel. Not enough juice. Hold on. Alright. I hooked up the battery. I'll be getting a new one tomorrow, so yeah, and eventually when we get that new one tomorrow, we're going to put the plug in and we'll see if we can try and get it to do something. Then again, maybe before I even think of doing anything, take that oily garbage out of the gas tank. But I need somewhere to put it. Alright, let's see. You guys see anything? Turn on the choke. Thermal switch went out. Alright. Give it a second. Another thing. Where's the there we go. Click back on. Another thing. Where's the golf cart's engine filter? It's somewhere around here. I've stuck it somewhere. Alright, let's try it again. I think it relies on the actual vacuum of the I think it probably relies on the vacuum of the spark plug. Like everything has to be there. So give me a sec again. Alright, let's try it. I put the plug in and I open up choke. I at the battery sit, I put all the little filter bits on. Let's see if it will put anything through. Did you do something here? Give me a second. Okay. Yeah, there's not enough juice to spin it. Okay. There, guys. I'll try and work more on this off camera here.